not for nothing, these cars had such beautiful red interiors. They really did, with the cockpits and everything else, with those white needles. You know, eventually then Audi, what they did is they changed over. They started putting a lot more white into the speedometer. I don't know. I kind of thought it ruined it. But, you know, somewhat it looked good, whatever. It happened like on the S6 and everything else. I mean, these white needles did make a really cool look to it. But, yeah, they started to kind of phase out the all red and go more towards the white, of course. But yeah, what a great looking vehicle at night. It truly is, for how old it is too. You know, that's really what you got to think about. And right now I'm driving it to the new owner's house. And believe it or not, it's actually going to go back to where it was kind of from. It's kind of interesting when you really think about it. You know what I liked about this guy? He didn't negotiate. He knew what the car was worth. I mean, the car, you know, all the records, everything speaks for itself. I mean, look, I would have liked to have gotten 65, but I lowered the price to 55. I wasn't going to go below 55. I mean, yes, it's got the mileage, 237 now. We got 900. We're almost up to 238. He'll get many, many miles out of this thing. Why not? Why shouldn't he? You know, nothing wrong with the car in a sense that, you know, little things here and there, but nothing crazy. And if he just maintains it, it'll last a lifetime. You know, these 2.7s, yeah, they like to leak from everywhere. As long as he warms it up, stuff like that, and you know, just keeps up with those oil changes, that will definitely help everything. But yeah, it's kind of going back to where it came from originally. I'm down here 202, 206 Flemington, New Jersey, and it was serviced a lot at Flemington Audi. It's kind of comical to me how it kind of went like full circle. Stayed with me for about 4 years, and now it's coming back home to its area. And these roads are so much better. Oh, the car ride's so nice down here, and it will have much better life down here. It actually would, than where I'm from. And that's why I kind of didn't want to drive it on Staten Island. I used to take it down to Princeton, New Jersey when I had the Volvo account. And that's, you know what's funny? I don't think this car's been to Jersey for about 2 years now. It's crazy. It has not left the island where I live. So, yep, there you have it. Actually, you know what's funny? The lights look like almost Audi Matrix right now. They're so bright. But nah, compared to the new Audis, these things just can't compare. These are old school Xenons, and I got the yellow fogs. Hold on. Can you even tell? Let me see. A little bit on the side. It's kind of comical. But yeah, there you have it. It's going, I think I'll be there in another, what's it say, 10:22 I'll arrive. What time is it now? Yeah, I got 10 more minutes left of this ride with this car. I'll miss it, but, you know, I've owned so many cars. I've driven so many of these. Just thought, like, it's time to get rid of it. You know, I'm not driving it. What the hell am I keeping it for? You know, I had that ML also with 54,000 miles. I didn't drive it. I don't know. Yeah, kind of gets to that point. You know, it's funny. Kind of do need this car. Sometimes as a third car, it does come in handy. You know, things happen. But I just kind of wanted to make some space too. You know, I really did. Hey, the Wawa. Everybody loves the Wawa. Wow, that one doesn't even have a gas station. That's odd. Yeah, all right. There you have it. My S4.